When creating the Logitech Reach, we wanted to understand how people were working at their desks and sharing their thoughts with others, or educating others when dealing with non-digital content. This show and tell experience was being limited by the tools available, as these were designed to provide a static view where the content was being moved in front of the camera, disrupting the flow of the person presenting and creating lapses in engagement for the person viewing the content. Therefore, we sought to create the key elements people needed to enable an engaging, interactive show and tell experience. They wanted to know that the product would be out of the way when not in use and could be easily set up and activated for use. From here, we sought to create a truly intuitive one-handed experience to move the viewpoint to the content to deliver engaging narratives. This can be broken down into three key parts: horizontal reach and coverage, independent vertical positioning to enable things like zoom, and a pivoting camera head to unlock even more use cases. The horizontal reach and coverage for this product allows you to freely position the camera in the horizontal plane while keeping the image upright, all by gripping the camera ring and moving to your desired location. You get a large visual area that's expansive thanks to this movement. The vertical positioning allows you to go from showing the big picture to being able to focus on the details, all by pressing down on the lever button and moving the camera bar closer or further away. Finally, the camera head pivots to provide different vantage points for engaging and interactive demonstrations. All this to ensure that the camera is within reach and you can stay in the flow to show your audiences your point of view and engage them every time, whether they're in the same space or far, far away. Thanks so much for taking the time to learn about Logitech Reach.
Like this, or like... So Monoblocc is a new kind of monitor rigging system. It's a VESA plate that you sandwich between your monitor and your monitor arm, to which you can attach pretty much any equipment that you might need. Webcams, a really nice podcast mic, LEDs all around your monitor without additional tripods or desk clamps. The beauty of the system is that it's really for everything. You can go for office type 27-inch monitor, or you can go also for the ultra wides.
Our mounting plate supports both 75mm and 100mm VESA standards. Since most monitor arms support both holes, you can first attach the mounting plate to your monitor arm with these nifty flush screws. In our case here, we use the 75mm spaced holes for attaching the mounting plate to the monitor arm and have the 100mm holes for the monitor. 15 male rods are then attached to the mounting block and stick out past the edge of the monitor.
It is utilizing equipment that is available in the market. So all the connecting pieces, they are ubiquitous. You can find them easily off the shelves. You can utilize third-party attachments if you want. Anything that you commonly find in a tripod setup, you can connect to this. I really needed it for myself. You want to have a clean desk. If you have a clean desk, you have a clean mind, you have a clear mind. It's really been a crazy year for prototyping, sourcing. What we really need now is the support of the Kickstarter backers and make this project a reality and bring it to life.
finally done it. We have created the perfect multi-purpose gimbal for all creators worldwide. Whether you film with your phone, action camera, or a professional mirrorless camera, it does it all. Introducing iSteady MT2. iSteady MT2 offers compatibility with multiple devices, whether it's your smartphone to capture the simple and beautiful moments in your life, an action camera to go as dynamic and crazy as you possibly can with your movement, or a mirrorless camera to capture your surroundings in the most cinematic way possible. We've integrated multiple game-changing features such as AI, a magnetic tracking unit that will track you with buttery smooth movement and groundbreaking precision, allowing you to capture yourself with dynamic camera movement when filming alone. The built-in RGB fill light helps you light up your subject even in the darkest of environments and give you full control over the colors, meaning now you can achieve any look you desire with a simple wheel twist. We've also increased the size and brightness of our new OLED display, presenting accurate readings. The maximum payload of 1.2 kilograms gives you an opportunity to mount professional mirrorless cameras with fast aperture lenses. We all know times are changing and vertical content is becoming king. So with our new innovative quick switch to vertical shooting mode, you can now quickly switch between horizontal and vertical video modes. And to make it even more awesome, the 360 infinite spin helps you achieve shots that look and feel outer-worldly. We've integrated motion control in our mobile app to never miss your framing, and A to B motion time-lapse to capture moving time-lapses that required a huge setup to achieve just a couple of years ago. The iSteady MT2 is a companion that will help you achieve incredible shots in any situation using different tools at your disposal. We truly believe that with the MT2 you will never miss your shots ever again.